Welcome to my kitchen. After a lot of contemplation, I've decided to shoot it the way the kitchen is right now because I thought I will lose track of all the stuff that I got from IKEA. So without any further ado, I'm gonna show you everything that I got from IKEA, which is at least in this kitchen. So randomly I'm beginning. There's no particular order for any stuff. Actually I've literally taken out all the stuff, so I just wanted to quickly come here and show you guys all of it because some of them have been really helpful to me and I wanted you guys to also know about it. So yeah, so the first product that I'm going to talk about are these mats. So these are absorbing mats. So what you do is you just place it on your slab and you wash your utensils and you keep over them. So like the delicate ones like the glassware and all that, you can actually wash and keep on them and they absorb all the moisture and water from it, and later you can actually just hang it out in the sun or just generally anywhere in the kitchen and it dries out very fast. So it is one of my most recommended product if you're looking to buy something from IKEA and if it is accessible. And one more point that I wanted to point it out was that I saw a lot of stuff from IKEA was also on Amazon, but there's a huge price difference. So if you are in a city where IKEA delivers, make sure you check their website and not just order from Amazon just because of the ease of it, because Amazon delivers a lot faster than IKEA. But yeah, check it out because this I believe I got it for 149 rupees, and the same thing is on Amazon for I guess 359 or 449 or something like that. Like it's quite expensive on Amazon. So make sure you check the prices on IKEA. I'm gonna list everything in the description box below so that you can check it out. Let's move on to the next product. Okay, so the next few products are the one that you would need in your kitchen, like very handy. The first one is this grater. I have a couple of them. I'm going to show you everything one by one. So first is this grater, and like nothing very special about this product until I observed that, like generally if you observe your grater you'll find just one line of it, but here in this I just observed that you have one line going downwards and then another one is facing just the opposite. So basically when you go down it grates and when you come up it again grates. So that's one thing that I realized after I started using it. So yeah, that way, like if you observe the grater that you have in your house, in your kitchen, you will see that there's just one line. But if you see this, they have like two adjacent lines, one going downward and one coming upward. Like if I'm making sense right now, I don't know. Maybe you'll understand what I want to say from the video clip. So yeah, I would highly recommend. This is very heavy duty, very sturdy, and I've been using it for close to like 2-3 weeks now. I'm very happy with the product. But yeah, if you get a chance, just pick this up because this will last you forever. So yeah, this one. The next is this small pan for tadka. Nothing huge about it, nothing much about it, but yeah, it's very easy to use. It has this one stand here and it like stands on the gas stove very. Sorry about that. There are people working outside. It stands on the gas stove very nicely, so very convenient to use. You need this in your kitchen for reasons that are known to everybody. So yeah, the third product is this masher. So first we were not buying this, like my husband was not in agreement to buy this, but eventually I picked it up because I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is very heavy duty. Like the wires and this section is quite sturdy and heavy duty, and then eventually the grip is also really nice, and it like you can hold it very nicely. Sorry. So you can hold it very nicely. So these are like cult products of IKEA, and they work really well. Like they're cult for a reason, and I can actually vouch for that now. So yeah, this is the next product. The next one on my list is this tissue holder. So I'm gonna take it out and show you it. It looks like this. So you can actually stand it on the countertop, or you can also wall mount it whatever way you like. So for now I've kept it on the kitchen top, but you can actually wall mount it so that it doesn't take a lot of space on your slab. So yeah, this one is also, it's not some flimsy thing like when you take out the paper, the roll, and it will fall off. It's quite heavy, it's quite sturdy. So this is also a good purchase if you're looking for a tissue roller stand or something like this. This is something that you can really pick up, and it's heavy duty, it's nice, heavy, and good to have a product like this. The next product that I'm going to talk about is this knife set. So it was actually a set of 3 knives. A really big one, a medium one, and a small. The small one and the medium one is already out, and the big one, I didn't find any use for the big one, so it is still in the packet. But these two, they're already out. So if you see, the grip is really nice. It's very sturdy, like you can hold very nicely. So yeah, these two are there. They have, I think, a set of 2 knives as well, but I picked up the set of 3. So if you want a set of 2, you can buy that as well. The next is very random purchase, like a lot of scissors. I bought this one scissor, it was just a single one available, and then I bought this pack of 3 scissors. It's like you need a scissor in every corner of your house, so I just picked up this and this. Like, let's just buy right now, we'll figure out how to use it later. So yeah, there's a couple of scissors. So this one is already open. This is still, if you see, this is still zip tied, so not yet open. Next product is this can opener. So we just bought it. We have not used it yet. I'm hoping to use it really soon, because so far I've not really opened anything from a can. So yeah, but I just picked it up because I thought it's convenient, because otherwise opening a can is a lot of hassle, and then you might hurt yourself and all that. So I thought, let's just pick it up, and it was not very expensive. I don't remember the prices, so I'm gonna leave the link of all these things in the description box from IKEA website or from this Amazon as well, so you can check it out. Next, I have this brush to apply oil and all that. So I got 2 of these. One is already out somewhere, I can't find it. So this is the new one, which is still, if you see, it is still packed. This was also not very expensive, and it is very sturdy if you are making parathas and all that. So it's very easy to grease oil with all of them. This is a very common product. You will find something like this on Amazon, like a lot of it on Amazon. It's very useful if you're using air fryer and all. You can easily grease oil, ghee, or whatever you want. So yeah, this is also a very useful product. So the next product that I'm going to show you is one of the coolest ones that I got from IKEA. It is this colander. So I had seen this product in a lot of YouTube recommendation, and rightly so, because this product is amazing. So it comes with 2 sides which are extendable like this, so you can actually place it in your sink, and you can keep your vegetables and stuff, and you can wash it, and then you can just leave it there, so that all the water it just drips down and your vegetable is nice and dry. It's very convenient to use, very heavy duty and very sturdy. So yeah, I mean, it comes highly recommended from my side as well, because it gets the job done and how. So yeah, I'm sure something like this will be available on Amazon also. So if you get something like this which has good reviews, definitely check it out, because the utility of this thing is really high, and yeah, it's quite nice. And it was on a higher price, and I believe, I remember it was, I think, $6.99 or $7.99, something like that. But it totally serves the purpose, and I totally recommend this. The next product is this drainer. I mean, we all need something like this in our kitchen. The purpose of this thing, I really don't have to spell it out. It's quite evident. So yeah, this and this, these are like 2 in the same category. I picked these up. This is also, if you see the handle and all, it's very heavy duty and very good quality. So I believe this is the last product that I have from my kitchen. It is this IKEA chopping board. So if you go to IKEA, or if you go visit their online website, you'll see there are a lot of chopping boards. They have these plastic ones, wooden ones, a lot of them, a lot of in a very abstract shape and all that. So yeah, they have a huge variety, but I wanted something really basic. And also, I would say, if you want to skip buying this thing from IKEA, you can skip, because it is a little expensive, and I don't think so it is worth the price. So if you want, you can skip this product, because this is on a pricier end, and a lot other better products are available for this price range. So you really don't need to buy this from IKEA, because this is expensive. This stuff is expensive, and you'll get a lot of other items, similar items, in much, lesser price. So the next product that I have are these salad bowls. This is a huge one. If you see, I have a smaller one as well, which is in the sink right now. It's dirty, so this is a huge one. Like if you're preparing salad for the whole family, this comes really handy. And apart from that also, if you're eating popcorn or stuff, like I've been using the smaller one for popcorn pretty much every day. So this is something that comes really handy if you have a lot of stuff. And like this is a salad bowl, but clearly it can be used for a lot of other things as well. So this is something I also recommend from IKEA. If you're getting a chance to get your hands on this, get it, because this is a utility product. They have another whole range in wooden bowl as well. You can check that out as well, but this is the steel one. Easy to clean, easy to maintain, and comes highly recommended. And the next product that I have are these two gloves. So again, I don't have to really explain the use of all these things. So these are the things that you will get at other places also. But since we were in IKEA, so we thought we'll just pick it up. So it's nothing, like I don't have a lot to say about it. It wasn't very expensive, so we just picked it up. I remember checking the prices of these gloves on Amazon, and I clearly remember that the price for this was way less than what we saw on Amazon. So that was one of the main reasons why we picked this up. So it is good quality. We have been using it on and off. Yeah. So this is the other product that we picked up, and again in the same category, I picked up these kitchen towels. I remember picking up a set of I think 4 or 5. I'm not sure where the rest of them are, but yeah, this is standard towel material and kitchen towel. Like everything good about this. I have nothing bad to say about this. So yeah, this is also from IKEA. So there is a change in the location. I've come to my dining table right now to show you two products from here. One is this heating pad. So we have kept these heating pad on our dining table. So you get those rubber ones also, and then you get those wooden ones also. But the good thing about this one is you can easily wash it. Like you drop anything and everything, you can wash it. These are washable, so that's the best part. Like that was a selling point for me. That's why we picked these two up. I think we've got more than two, but right now only these two are out on our dining table. So the next product that I want to show you is this tissue holder. So this was just a random purchase. We thought we'll pick this one up so that we can keep tissues inside this one and just place it on the dining table. So yeah, nothing much about it. Just and I think this is a plastic material, but yeah, it's quite sturdy, and it stands all firmly on the dining table. So it's a good one. So yeah, nothing much to say about it. Yeah, it's a tissue holder. So these are the two things that I want to show you from the dining table. I have a lot of stuff from the home decor section, as in I've got but more than a couple of planters, and then some just random knick-knack clock and all that. I've quite a lot of stuff from that category as well. So let me know if you want to see a video on that as well. Comment down in the comment section and let me know. So because I feel this is already extending, and it is already a long video. I don't want to really bore anyone and everyone who's not interested. So I will probably make another video for that. So yeah, so for this one, if you like this video, just like this video and subscribe to the channel, and comment down and let me know which one was your favorite products from all the products that I showed you today. So if I had to pick one, it would be that Colander one, in which I showed you that we wash the vegetables and stuff. So that one, and that absorber, the mat absorber. Those two products are the high points for me in the kitchen, because they're so helpful. They've literally changed the way I work in the kitchen. So yeah, if you get a chance, definitely check those two out. And apart from that, I've shown everything from kitchen. If there's anything left, I'll insert a clip of that one after this. But yeah, I think I've even made a list about the products that I'd been taking out from the carton. So I think we're done for the kitchen thing. And so yeah, that's it. Bye. I'll see you soon in another video. And also don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye. So this is after a couple of hours, and after I said buy and all that, I realized I did not show you guys a major chunk of my kitchen stuff that I got from IKEA, and I thought I will just extend this video by some duration and quickly show you guys those things as well, because those are really good stuff. So let's begin. So the first item that we have are these poker glasses. So this is how you get them there. Like, you get these in a pack of 4. You also get them as individuals. So if I have to show you, it looks something like this. This is their standard glass, and these are like very popular. This is very, it's like it is one of those products of IKEA which you'll find pretty much everywhere in every household, whoever gets stuff from IKEA. So this is, these glasses are really nice. Like, I showed you a pack of 4. We got actually 3 packs. So in total we got a dozen of these glasses, and we use it for normal water drinking and nimbu pani and all that. So, and this is a very heavy duty glass. It's not some thin flimsy glass and all that. So this is something that I highly recommend, and I think they give you these glasses per piece as well. I'm not very sure about it, but I think they give it. And also I know this for a fact that this is not something which is very expensive. I think we got 4 glasses for 350 or 340 or something like that. So it is not very expensive. You can check this on their website also, and I highly recommend this. The second thing that I want to show you is this beer mug. So this is glass, and this is quite heavy, and it holds around I think more than half a liter of beer or whatever you want to pour in it. So it's again, it's very heavy duty. It's not flimsy glass, and it looks also very like stylish, because I think I have not seen beer glasses like these a lot. Like, these are not very common, so I kind of liked it. And also I remember we did a quick price check and price comparison on Amazon and IKEA, and IKEA was way cheap. So we picked these up, and I think they've picked around either 6 or 10 of these. I don't remember, but yeah, we've picked this one up, and this is also really good, very heavy duty. So the next set that I want to show you is this one. These are like the smaller version of your poker glasses. So if you see, the height is just this much, and your poker glasses are like this. So this is kind of a, oh, this has water. So this is kind of a miniature version of this one. This we got just in case we want to serve some juice or something. So this is exactly like Pokal. The build quality and glass quality and everything is just like Pokal, just that it is shorter in height. Next up, I have some cutlery to show you. So we got one Denera set. I think it's under IKEA. You have a lot of other brands. So the brand name is Denera, and there was a complete set of Denera which had 6 big plates and 6 quarter plates and 6 bowls. So we picked up that set. So I'm going to show you. So this is how the cutlery looks like. So you have 6 bowls in there and 6 quarter plates and 6 big plates. I've just got like 3 of them here to show you, but it is actually in one set you get 6 bowls and 6 these smaller plates and 6 big plates. So we got 2 sets. So basically 12 in total, 12 plates and 12 bowls and everything. So if you see, this bowl size is quite huge. It's not something that you can use for, let's say if you want to serve dal or sabzi. So it's quite huge. So then we also find these small bowls, and we picked up 12 of these just to go with the rest of the cutlery. So this was not part of the set. This we bought separately, and we paid for it separately. I don't remember how much it was per piece, but I put it in the description. I'll put the link in the description box. But for set, I'm quite sure we paid 3,000 rupees for the whole set, like 6 quarter plates, 6 big plates, and 6 of that big bowl. So for that we paid 3,000 rupees, and we got 2 sets. So we paid 6,000 rupees for a set of 12 plates, 12 quarter plates and 12 bowls, and this we got separately 12 bowls, smaller bowls. So after this, I'm just left with these mugs. So these are the mugs that we got for chai coffee, and this is if you see, this is in blush pink color. So this was available in grey as well, like the same color in which my cutlery is, but I wanted some different color because then it would be grey throughout. I did not want that. I wanted a color block, so I picked this one up, and this is very nice a very soothing blush pink color, and it looks also very nice. So we got this was, again I don't remember the price, I'll put it over here or in the description box. So we picked up 12 of these, just like we were kind of maintaining the standard of 12. We were buying everything in like in a bunch of 12 so that it goes along with everything else. So yeah, this is the last item that I wanted to show you. With this I conclude my IKEA haul for kitchen stuff and cutlery stuff. So I have, like I mentioned earlier, I have a lot of stuff for, you know, apart from kitchen stuff, I have a lot of stuff, and I would really like to make a video about that as well. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see that. I will make that video as well. So this is a final goodbye. Please do subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, bye.